Good evening, everyone. SirSniperJim here from the 643 Box Break site, doing our Sunday night auction this time around. We're continuing with our half case of decades. We've got 4 boxes remaining, numbered 1, 2, 9, and 10. You guys, we've done 3 bins and a 3-box hit draft of it, and we have yet to hit a patch. So let's pull the box tonight with the patch. So we'll run through the teams. Give our 4 or 5 plus team winners their scratch and win card and spell and win letter. Guaranteed letters, one by Bummer Boy tonight. So we'll get Jack another 2 letters. And we'll pick our VIP team and we'll get breaking. So participating in 13-14 decades, we got Crow, DJ Nella's Mom, All for Kinds, Sly Foxes 2003, Welcome to the Breaks. Columbus not available in this break. Bummer Boy, Felix Victoria got Florida. Nashville and Tampa are pooled together. There you have it, guys. So 4 or 5 plus team winners: Crow, DJ Nella's Mom, All for Kinds, and Bummer Boy. So let's get you guys your letters. So Crow. Crow, a letter A. You got a ton of letter A, but you just used up quite a few, probably. DJ Nella's Mom. Aaron, a letter N. For All for Kinds, Chuck, also a letter A. And Bummer Boy. A letter A also. Got all the letter A's out. And while we have the letters out, guaranteed letters spot auction won by Bummer Boy. Let's get Jack his 2 guaranteed letters, hopefully no A's. Well, he gets an E. E to start it off. A U. And I'll throw you one more, Jack. And another U. Alright, so we'll put those aside. And the scratch and win card. So we'll start right at the top with Crow. So Crow. Oh, Crow, didn't you just use this up too? So Crow's getting a blank spell and win letter. So a blank spell and win letter going to Crow as part of scratch and win. For DJ Nella's Mom, Aaron, a San Jose Shark. Aaron got the Sharks free in the next bin. Come on, we need some players here. All for Kinds, Toronto. Free. So you got the Leafs free in a break of your choice. So any box break coming up, let me know when you want to use the Leafs. And Bummer Boy. Bummer Boy's got a St. Louis blue. And it is Tarasenko. Tarasenko going to Bummer Boy. St. Louis. Alright, let's choose our VIP team of the break. So VIP team of the break will be the New York Islanders. So Crow, if we hit an Islanders card in this box of decades, you get a $12 bidding credit. So good luck. Alright guys, you guys get to pick our box of decades. So we got numbers 1, 2, 9, and 10. Number I see twice on Vaughn is the one we're doing. 9 and 9 it is. Have it guys, sealed box from our case that we opened up. Alright, here we go. Good luck. So bonus box break 21 is filled. I hope to have it updated in the next couple of days. I was hoping to have it for today, but I got a ton of things on the go. We are not running bonus box break 22. We put that bonus on hold for the time being. Alright, box is empty. Come on, give us a patch. First base going to the LA Kings and Bummer Boy, Tony Granato. Second base for the Pittsburgh Penguins and Bummer Boy, Jaromir Jagr. Base for the Pittsburgh Penguins and Bummer Boy, Kevin Stevens. For the Calgary Flames and Crow, base of Gary Roberts. For Boston and DJ Nell's mom, base of Adam Oates. And a nice gold base, also for the Pittsburgh Penguins and Bummer Boy, Jaromir Jagr. Yeah, Penguins so far. For the Winnipeg Jets / Phoenix and Crow, our first auto is Pat Elniak. Second auto. Wow, the Predators get a hit. For Nashville / Tampa, DJ Nell's mom, Greg Johnson. And this one. And this will go to the Pittsburgh Penguins. Decades auto of Scotty Bowman. And it is a Pittsburgh hit. Took over the Penguins in 91-92. For the Colorado Avalanche, Decades Mask. Going to Bummer Boy, Patrick Waugh. And for the St. Louis Blues, and all for kinds, decades rookie, Curtis Joseph. For the New York Rangers, DJ Nell's mom, game used jersey silver, so out of 30, Mike Richter. No patch in this box, guys. Trophy winners, jersey for the Colorado Avalanche and Bummer Boy. Conn Smythe Trophy 95-96, Joe Sakic. And to officially make it a Pittsburgh Penguins box, franchises, decades 1990s, we got a quad of Mario, Ron Francis, Tom Barrasso, and Jaromir Jagr. Holy Pittsburgh. So no patches, guys. So we have 3 boxes left up there. And we should have, 2 boxes should have patches at least. Alright, so we'll move on to our bonuses. And the Islanders did not receive a hit in the box. So no VIP bonus this time around for Crow. So we'll give away our no-hit bonus cards. So we'll stay with the ITG trend tonight. Between the Pipes, Aspire, Jordan Binnington, and Cujo. And a Masked Men 5 of Andre Pavlik. Quad is a black version. I think they're out of 85. So pick out a chip. If that team did not receive a hit, they're getting those 2 cards sent to them. No hit bonus cards going to the owner of the Buffalo Sabres. No hits for Buffalo. Owned by Chuck, all for kinds. Pair of cards coming your way, Chuck. Alright, let's assign our 3 scratch and win cards, then we'll assign our 5 spell and win letters, and then we'll play Deal or No Deal. So our 3 scratch and win cards going to the following 3. So Phoenix, we get the first one. Phoenix is Crow. Second one, of course, an Ottawa chip gets picked. All for kinds. And 2. Columbus doesn't take part in this one. And Florida, Felix Victoria. So Phoenix, owned by Crow. Three spell and win letters of your choice. Belongs to Crow. Just send me a message, Crow, on the forum with what 3 letters you'd like. Ottawa, all for kinds. Another flame. So another flame. Calgary Flame. Yuri Hoodler. So that belonged to the Ottawa Senators and Chuck. And Florida, which was Phyllis. Vancouver Canuck. Jordan Schroeder. So Jordan Schroeder of the Canucks. So we had Crow, who picked 3 spell-and-win letters of his choice. Hoodler, 2 All for Kinds, and Schroeder, 2 Phyllis.